Today I'm going to show you how to change your age on X.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've entered the wrong birth date before or you just need to update it for your profile, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or opening the profile menu. From there, look for the edit profile option and click it. This is where you can change different details on your account, including your birth date. After the edit profile page opens, scroll down until you find the birth date section. Tap on that section to open the date settings. You'll now see options to adjust the day, month, and year. Carefully select the correct information for your birth date. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on, because this is the age information X uses for your account. Once you've made the changes, tap Save to confirm the update. And that's it. Your age or birthday on X.com has now been changed successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.